Good afternoon, masterminds. Good afternoon to everyone. I hope you are all good on this lovely Sunday afternoon. Raining where I am, is raining heavily. So I decided before I lose network again because of the weather, I must just come and make a quick recording relating to very, very reliable information that I received. This information is confirmed, the evidence is there, and I even have a voice recording relating to this information. Hey, people remember when we spoke in the Senzo Miwa case, when we spoke about the Cleveland firearm, that was in the SAPS 13, and that firearm was fetched. And we know what happened after that. Now I received information that confirms once again how SAPS is using, how members or corrupt members of SAPS is using firearms that are in the SAP 13. And they give these firearms to hitmen to go and perform hits on certain targets. Now I received this information about the incident that happened in Virginia, Free State, in 1997, in Maryspruit. Maryspruit is in Virginia. So in 1997, a teacher was assassinated in front of his house. 5 bullets through him. Case number is 51 of 897. Now, firearm that was used was taken from the SAPS 13 storage, and this firearm was given to the hitman, and the hitman shot this teacher in front of his house. Now, according to this information, 4 police officers escorted the hitman to go and do the hit. 4 police officers escorted the hitman to go and do the hit. 1997. Crime can never be buried. Cannot bury crime, especially where someone lost his life. That person's soul is going to call for vengeance. This person's blood that is in your hands, on your hands, is going to call for justice. Look how far back it is. 1997. I have the evidence on what happened with that teacher. I'm going to meet soon. I'm going to meet with the relevant authorities, trusted relevant authorities, to which I'm going to hand over all this evidence, not just this. This case was, and the instruction for the hit came from a senior general in SAPS. The instruction for that hit, that a teacher must be the reason why the teacher was assassinated. There was a police official who was doing an investigation in a very, very serious case that implicated influential people. That police officer was very close to this teacher. Was always with this teacher. I think they were friends, but they were, according to the information, they were very close. So this police officer was the first one that they assassinated. Assassinated him, and then According to the information they said the teacher must also be removed because there's a possibility that the police officer shared that information with him. Because I don't know, was it maybe there was an indication that he might have known? I don't know. Maybe he told someone, I don't know. But he, innocent person, he was removed because they said that he is a risk, he's a threat, they cannot take that risk. That's why he was removed. That's why his life was taken by the gods of this world. We have gods in this world to decide when our lives must be ended. Our masters, the masters of our lives, the owners of our lives, decide when our lives must end. They didn't bring us in this world. They were not responsible for us, for our birth. But now they appointed themselves as the masters, the owners of our lives. They are known. They are known. Each and every one of them, they are known. There is a prosecutor in, I think is it Welcome, Virginia? Welcome, Virginia. But it's not just one prosecutor. There are a list of prosecutors who are part of this, who are covering up these dogs. The hitman in this case never charged. The hitman was never charged in this case. Hence, I say in Free State, in each and every town or district, there are prosecutors who are part of the syndicate with senior management in SAPS. We have a list of these prosecutors. We have a list of these senior management in SAPS. Those people who are in charge who decides which cases are going to be covered up, which cases are going to be in the, we have the list. As I said soon, there's a list with all the information of and proof, evidence of payments that were made to the hitman is going to be released. We have the evidence of payments that were made by prosecutors, by police, senior police officers to hitmen to take other people's lives. As I said, they thought that they are the owners of our lives. I tell people on a daily basis. Crime does not expire. There's no perfect crime in this world. You might think that there was some point in your life when you committed a crime and it's now 10, 20, 30 years along the line. That crime will never be exposed. Let me tell you, nothing stays hidden forever. Free State. Free State is the epitome, the epicenter of crime and corruption. If you have someone in a high position from Free State, in your government department or wherever, just know that they are the masters. They are the masters. Remember who Free State Province belonged to for such a long time. These police officers were used. Most of them will go and report to the office of Ace Mahashule. Provincial commissioners will go like little boys. They will sit there like little boys, go and report to the office of Ace Mahashule. We know exactly how many crimes and how many dockets have been covered up. There was a docket where money was stolen. I don't know, was it money of a heist or whatever? And the current provincial commissioner, and I think it was the previous premier, was implicated in that money issue. And the current provincial commissioner, that's why they asked that she must stay for another term. She's the first provincial commissioner who got a extension on her contract. That's why I was saying, no, she cannot go anywhere. She have our secrets like this. She covered up that docket. She covered up that docket, but the information is there. The information is there, the evidence is there. You know what? Soon most of them will be on pension. Soon most of them will be on pension. And everything will come after them like that. Their sins and their crimes is going to follow them like that. Soon most of them are going on pension. Their crimes and their sins is going to follow them like that. Their children were currently orphans because of them. They have their lives, they have their families, their children have good lives. But currently there are children, they are orphans because of them. God is not a boy. Masterminds, I'm going to stop it here. I'm struggling with network, so before I get switched off, I just came to make a quick video to just inform them that we have your information, we have evidence of your crimes that you committed that you thought will never be exposed in your lifetimes. Your crimes, very soon you will see something that you have never seen in your life before. You will see how influential people who control the judiciary are going. They control us. They control everyone and everything around them. But now God has spoken. This is 2025. This is 2025. 2025 has come to cleanse South Africa. 2025 is here to cleanse South Africa from all the demons that have been controlling this country. It's over. They know themselves. They know themselves. I don't even have, where they are watching this video, they know themselves. They know themselves. Each and every one of them, they know who, and they know who am I talking to. You know your name is on the list. They know who am I referring to. The nice thing about this, I'm not talking to ghosts. I'm talking to people who know that their names are on that list. We are coming for you. We are coming for you. Your time is up. You thought you will destroy us. You did everything in your power. Everything. You took the resources of the taxpayers' money to destroy us. We are still standing stronger than ever. Stronger than ever. Nothing you can do now. Well, nothing you can do now. The only thing you can do, go and fetch that firearm that you don't even know where is it now, because they don't even know where's that firearm now. They don't know where's that firearm, but the information that we have is that firearm is somewhere. So let me stop it here, masterminds. We'll speak again. I'll come back when I have a stable network, and then we will proceed from there. I just wanted to come and give you the information to tell you that the demons' time is up. They must prepare themselves for what is coming. Thank you, masterminds. Until we see again. Bye.